Good morning, afternoon everyone. Today, we're about to dive into a moment that could shape the future of Burkina Faso and the world. It all started with a powerful speech by Ibrahim Traoré, a leader who didn't just speak to the people of Burkina Faso, but to the very essence of possibility. His words were like a lightning bolt, a call to action, a rallying cry for everyone to believe in something greater than themselves, to rise above adversity, and to take control of the future. But let's be honest. When those words were first spoken, many couldn't believe it. They were skeptical. Doubt crept in. But we all know, real change, real progress doesn't come from the comfortable or the easy. It comes from the bold, from those who dare to push boundaries and reimagine what's possible. That is what Ibrahim Traoré did. He laid out a vision, a bold, transformative plan for security, governance, and national unity. He asked the people to believe in a future they hadn't yet seen, to trust in change when it seemed impossible. And here's the thing, this vision isn't just a dream. It's a call to action for all of us. This is a vision that, if embraced, can change not just Burkina Faso, but the world. So, what's next? It's time to share this idea. It's time to spread the energy, to expand this vision beyond the borders of Burkina Faso. Like, share, subscribe, let the world hear this idea. Let this energy fuel others who are ready to make change, ready to believe in the power of the impossible. Together, we can amplify this message. We can spread this vision across the globe, because change starts with belief, and belief is a force that can transform the world. Are you ready to be part of this movement? Are you ready to believe, act, and share this powerful message with the world? Let's dive in and see why this idea is not just amazing, it's revolutionary. Let's get started. 1. Setting the stage. The situation in Burkina Faso. Before we can understand the power of Ibrahim Traoré's message, we have to understand the situation Burkina Faso was facing. The country was in a time of deep struggle. For years, Burkina Faso had been battling security threats, with armed groups causing fear and instability across entire regions. People were living in uncertainty, unsure if they could return safely to their homes or build a future for their families. Fear had become a daily reality. At the same time, the nation faced economic hardship. Jobs were scarce, resources were limited, many young people were frustrated, feeling like their dreams were slipping away. Corruption and poor leadership in the past had damaged trust in the government, and people had lost hope that change could come through official channels. The people of Burkina Faso were tired, angry, and disillusioned. They wanted real solutions, real leadership, not more empty promises. They needed someone to stand up, speak the truth, and offer a new path forward. That's the stage Ibrahim Traoré stepped onto. He didn't walk into a room full of easy believers. He spoke to a nation that had heard too many promises before. A nation that desperately wanted to hope again but was afraid to be disappointed. It was against this backdrop of crisis, pain, and uncertainty that Ibrahim Traoré delivered his bold, energetic, and almost unbelievable message. A message that would challenge the people of Burkina Faso to dream again, to fight again, and to believe that together, they could build a new future. 2. The talk. A bold vision for change. Standing before a nation filled with doubt, Ibrahim Traoré did not offer empty promises. He delivered a bold vision, a vision so energetic, so ambitious, that it shook people awake. His talk wasn't just words, it was a battle cry for a new Burkina Faso. He spoke directly to the pain of the people. He promised security, not someday in the distant future, but starting now. He talked about reclaiming every inch of Burkinabe land from armed groups. He called on the youth, the farmers, the workers, everyone, to stand together, shoulder to shoulder, to defend and rebuild their country. No one would be left out. No one would be ignored. Ibrahim Traoré painted a picture of a nation where the people themselves were the heroes. He said, Burkina Faso will not wait for foreign powers to save it. We will rise by our own hands, with our own strength. He spoke about reviving the economy, focusing on agriculture, mining, and local industries to create jobs and end dependency on foreign aid. He talked about cleaning up corruption, making leadership accountable to the people, and building a government that truly serves everyone, not just the powerful few. And what made this speech truly amazing? It wasn't just the vision. It was the energy. It was the fire in his voice. It was the way he said, "we," and not, "I." It was how he made every single person in Burkina Faso feel like they were part of something bigger, something historic. He didn't just ask people to listen. He asked them to act, to share the dream, to spread the energy across every village, every city, and beyond the borders of Burkina Faso. He called for the nation to unite, like, share, and subscribe to the future they could build together, not just online, but in real life, by working side by side, by believing in their own power. This talk wasn't just a speech. It was the start of a movement. A bold vision that said to the people, "You are the change. You are the future. Believe it, live it, share it with the world." 3. Overcoming skepticism. The power of innovation. At first, when Ibrahim Traoré spoke, many people couldn't believe it. After so many years of broken promises and false hopes, skepticism was natural. Some asked, "How can we fight back when we are tired?" Others whispered, "How can we build an economy when we have nothing?" Doubt was everywhere, but Ibrahim Traoré knew this would happen. He understood that skepticism isn't a weakness, it's a sign that people have been hurt before. That's why he didn't just talk, he acted. He innovated. He showed that real leadership means doing, not just speaking. He launched bold actions right away. Community security initiatives, empowering local defense groups, programs for youth training, turning frustration into strength and skills. New investments in agriculture and mining, focusing on Burkina Faso's own people, not outsiders. Each step sent a clear message. This time, it's different. This time, we are building our future ourselves. And slowly, something incredible happened. The energy spread. Villages started organizing. Youth groups started training. Farmers began working with renewed hope. Belief began to grow. First like a small flame, then like a wildfire across the country. Innovation was the key. Instead of waiting for perfect conditions, Traoré pushed people to create solutions with what they had. He encouraged thinking differently, acting faster, working smarter. He told the people, "Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for perfect. Start now. Build now. Protect now. Believe now." The power of innovation broke through the wall of skepticism. What once sounded impossible began to feel unstoppable. And the message was clear. If you believe in yourself, if you believe in your community, and if you dare to like, share, and subscribe to the idea of a better Burkina Faso, then together, you can achieve anything. Anything. 4. The amazing idea. Unveiling the vision. After igniting belief in action, Ibrahim Traoré revealed the amazing idea at the heart of his vision. Burkina Faso would no longer be dependent. Burkina Faso would become fully sovereign, fully self-reliant, and fully united. He laid out a revolutionary plan, simple but powerful. Secure every village, every road, every region, not just with soldiers, but with the strength of the people themselves. Build a new economy from the ground up, using Burkina Faso's own resources, agriculture, gold, cotton, energy, to fuel local industries and create thousands of jobs. Invest in youth and education, giving young people the tools to innovate, defend, and lead the country into the future. Clean leadership, with accountability and transparency at every level. Leadership by the people, for the people, he said. African solidarity, strengthening alliances with neighboring countries who also dream of independence and dignity. This was not just politics. This was a call to awaken national pride. Traoré's message was electric. We are not poor. We are rich, in spirit, in land, in courage. And when we stand together, no enemy, no hardship, no outsider can defeat us. He challenged every Burkinabe citizen to see themselves differently, not as victims of history, but as heroes of the future. He urged them to like the movement, share the dream, subscribe their hearts to this mission of freedom and greatness, and spread it across the world until every Burkinabe voice was heard loud and clear. The amazing idea wasn't just about policies. It was about a mindset shift. From fear to faith, from waiting to working, from dependency to destiny. Ibrahim Traoré didn't offer magic. He offered something stronger. Belief plus action. A new Burkina Faso would rise. Not because someone else allowed it, but because the people demanded it, built it, and protected it together. And that, my friends, is an idea worth shouting from the rooftops. Like it, share it, subscribe to it, live it, Because the world needs to hear the power of what's happening in Burkina Faso. 5. The road ahead. Why it's worth believing in. Ibrahim Traoré's vision lit a fire in the hearts of the people, but real change isn't built in a single speech. It's a journey, a road forward, and this road, while full of challenges, is worth believing in. The road ahead demands patience. It demands courage. It demands that every citizen, young and old, hold on to the vision even when things get tough. Because real freedom is never given easily. It must be fought for, protected, and grown, step by step, day by day. Traoré's roadmap is clear: strengthen security through national unity. Boost the economy by empowering local industries and protecting natural resources. Educate and inspire the youth to innovate and lead with integrity. Fight corruption by holding leaders accountable at every level. Promote solidarity with African neighbors who share the dream of a free, proud, independent future. It's a long journey, yes. But it's also a possible journey. And the world is starting to notice. People beyond Burkina Faso are beginning to like, share, subscribe, and spread this new energy, an energy that says, we will not wait for a better future. We will build it ourselves. Every step forward proves the skeptics wrong. Every small success is a victory for belief, for hard work, for courage. The road ahead is not just about Burkina Faso, it's about setting an example for the whole world. It's about proving that no matter how hard the circumstances, faith in action can move mountains. Ibrahim Traoré's amazing idea is not just a speech anymore, it's becoming reality. And you, yes, you, are part of it if you believe, if you act, if you spread this vision to others. So, let's keep the energy alive. Like it, share it, subscribe to it, live it, be the voice that carries this hope across every border, every nation. Because together, the road ahead leads to a Burkina Faso that will shine like a beacon to the world. 6. Conclusion. Moving forward together. Burkina Faso stands today at the edge of history, a nation once filled with doubt, now rising with energy, vision, and unstoppable spirit. Ibrahim Traoré did more than give a speech. He gave the people a mirror to see their true strength, a blueprint for a future they can build with their own hands, and a reason to believe again. The amazing idea he shared was simple but powerful. Burkina Faso belongs to its people. Its future is in their hands. No one else will build it for them, and that's the most beautiful part. It's their victory to win. It's their dream to live. We have seen how skepticism was overcome by innovation. We have seen how fear was replaced by faith. We have seen how, when people unite around a bold vision, nothing is impossible. And now, it's time for all of us, not just in Burkina Faso, but everywhere, to take part in this movement. Like the energy, share the hope, subscribe to the vision, spread the fire of belief across every city, every village, every heart. Let the world hear the message. A new Burkina Faso is rising. Stronger, freer, and more determined than ever before. Moving forward together means more than watching from the sidelines. It means believing. It means acting. It means lifting each other up and carrying the dream forward. Together, we can make this vision unstoppable. Together, we can turn doubt into destiny. Together, we can move not just a nation, but inspire a world hungry for hope. Believe it, share it, live it, the future is now.